Welcome to the ninth day of Navratri. And yesterday I had shared that I'll be sharing the meaning of Navratri. So here it goes. So according to agricultural calendar, Navratris come right before the harvest season. And right before the harvest season in the olden days, the food materials were less. And if a lot of people are eating, there'll be a lot of burden on the natural resources. So fasting was mandated. The second reason for fasting was it's also the time for changing season. The Sharadiya Navaratri, which is going on, where the summer is changing to winter. The Chaitri and Navratri, which happen in the month of April, the winters change to summer. So it's a changing season. And usually during the changing season, our body needs time to adjust to the new season. New temperatures, new kind of quality of air, and everything's different. So this fasting period is meant to prepare the body for the new season. So in the fasting, you eat more fruits, you kind of go with less food, more water, just to prepare your body for the next season. And that's one of the significance of Navratri, besides there being a lot of spiritual significance also, because this is the time when a lot of legends are associated with goddess Durga and goddess Kali. It is said that this is the time when you defeat the demons, and those demons are outside of us and also inside of us, our fears, our doubts, our diseases. And this is why Navratris are such a powerful time for cleansing and purification and preparation for what's to come next. So that's a bit of sneak peek into the meaning of Navratris. Now let's get to the messages from the goddess. So again, I'm doing the reading from the Goddess Guidance Oracle, and let's see what the goddesses have to tell us for this day today. So the card for today is actually the card that came on the first day of Navratri, which is by goddess Aphrodite. And the card says Inner Goddess. And it says, awaken the goddess within you through dance, self-care, and appreciating your divinity. It's remarkable how the card that came on the first Navratri is also coming today. Make sure you're taking care of your diet, of your health, you're taking care of yourself emotionally, mentally, avoiding things and people toxic for you. So that's one of the little things about self-care that you can take care of today. Then that's it for today. Wishing you a very happy Navami and wish you a very happy Dashera also. That's tomorrow.